If we are wounded and triggered all the time, how can we reproduce or represent anything healthy? We'll be lean and broken and limping with a smile. But when we look closely, it's a deeply painful reality. The marks, the bruises, the smile that turns into a frown. It's in our eyes you'll see the real story. The invisible tears that runs down our face. The internalized silence that screams louder than any ears can hear. It ruptures from the inside like splinters piercing through the soul. The teeth that may be missing, yet the smile still shines through. And with it comes a different tale, the one that's not for sale. Sometimes the smile may even seem the brightest, the loudest at first glance. But take another look. What you may see may scare the living life out of you. Don't run or hide, fix or save. Don't beat us down or try to make us brave. Offer a listening ear, safe space that can hold the hurt and pain. It heals the wounded soil and breathes life back into our body. The same life will birth back into society.